Hello. If you, like me, have been having a total issue trying to get these new Micro Switch ExtremeRate triggers to work because you can't figure out how to get this small piece into the trigger itself, the reason being is because there is a design flaw. If you pay a little close attention to the trigger, you'll see a little piece that kind of sticks out at the bottom here. It's kind of hard to see. But on this one, you'll see I have taken that piece and I have removed it. So initially, when you try to place this piece in, it falls right out. But if you remove that little plastic end, take the piece, press firmly, then it no longer falls out. And it adds that little bit of depth that is needed to trigger this switch that sits at the bottom when this is closed.